Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today we have an unboxing for you. And again, unboxing in this channel is really meant to give you a heads up of what's going to be coming up in future reviews. So here's the box. It was is a Bugsgear ukulele that was on sale on Amazon. Every now and then I look at what's on sale at Amazon and I'll see if there's any good bargains. And this one is something that I've been looking at for quite a while. Just haven't had a chance to get it yet. All right, let's open it up and see what it is. Piece of styrofoam. And here is the ukulele. Right here. It doesn't look like there's any extra tape on it. It's a single box construction, which is nice, and there you can see it right there. Comes with a case. I'll put the box down here. Alright, let's take a look at what we got. Alright, here we go. Opening it up. And what we have is a plastic ukulele. And a lot of people have known about these for quite a while. It's a Bugsgear. Eddie Finn carried these for a while. It's another solution to the plastic ukulele. And I have not bought one yet because the prices were a little bit too high for me. But this one was well priced. I think it was $24.99, and it was in the range that I could take a chance with it and review it. And what this leads to is a future comparison with a bunch of different plastic ukuleles, which is pretty nice. So, all right, definitely not in tune yet. Let's tune her up and see what it looks like. Now, while we're doing that, metal gear tuners, kind of large knobs on it. A straight across headstock, which is not a problem. Very interesting nut. It isn't a 0 fret. And, you know, the fretboard is molded ABS. And you've got your body, blue, red, and black. So, let's see if we can tune this up real quick. Let's tune it again. Alright, and one more song. Gotta think about the frets here. There are little indentations on the fretboard, but they're not that easy to see in this lighting. And there are side position markers there as well. The other thing I was noticing is, again, as I was playing, is that there is that cutout, which is kind of an interesting approach. There are front position markers of a style. If I turn the ukulele right, you might see the indentations. That might be a good situation for a little bit of paint or something in those grooves so that they're a little more visible. But that is the Bugsgear Soprano ukulele that was just on sale out of nowhere for $25, $24.99. And I thought I would get one to be able to review it and then eventually do a comparison with some other plastic ukuleles. All right, thank you so much for watching the channel. I will be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.